Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just having a quick look here guys. We are doing a kind of final top up on the pool. You can just see under the slab if you look right there. We've still got a little bit of liner showing, approximate about 1.5 inches on the back end here. Now as we're doing this guys, so one tip to consider when you are kind of filling your pond, trying to get the accurate level. Of course I've tried to get it as close to level as I can going around, which in all fairness it has kind of worked. There are a few lower sides, a few higher sides. You know, coming off the back here, this is probably a slight inch higher than off the back here, so we've got a little bit of discrepancy, but I'm going to be sort of walling and edging this whole side anyway, so you won't see any of that liner once that all goes in. Now one area to pick up on here guys, so this is the kind of entrance bit we have here off the back. Looking at it here, this is another one of the low spots. Now as you can see, as I'm filling here, if I come to this edge, I'll just go around this way. If you have a look there, we're nearly at the top of the liner there. So this is my lowest point in the pond at the moment. So what I'm actually going to do is to use some of the liner offcuts here and essentially scrunch these up, kind of roll them up into balls to get a little bit more extra height. Of course it's going to give it some padding underneath the liner here. So just lift that up. I'm going to be kind of tucking it in under that bit just to get that extra bit of level underneath there for now. Once again guys, we are going to be going around and re-slabbing all the areas here, but just to kind of get the level where I want it to be as we're filling at the moment here. You know, I'm just kind of going around making sure every area is looking how I want it to look. So the next task is to tuck up some liner under here and just raise this last little lower bit here as we fill. So certainly if you haven't caught the project before, we've got quite a few updates on the channel, lots of other content coming out soon. Also we're going to be going around taking a look at the garden again towards the middle of November, perhaps even sooner. So certainly stay tuned, drop us a subscribe if you haven't yet to follow along. A like always helps the channel to grow, and we'll see you on the next one.